They came common like we need them.
Yeah. You what?
And for God's sake, look at Roger.
Oh, bless.
Hello, sex bud.
I think he's after the sex shot.
I think he wants some.
I don't think he can take a picture anyway.
He's probably got that in here. Yeah.
Stephen's taking a movie.
Stephen's taking a movie. Yeah.
Oh, Steve, he's taking a movie. Steve's taking a movie.
John Travolta. We can do the line here.
Stephen's taking a ball.
Where's the sex shot?
Oh, this is going to be priceless.
You guys have heard of these things being put on the internet, right?
Actually, the week before I came away, I was outside the police station and I went smack straight on my face, you know. And I went in the next day and they said, "Do you realise we've got that on the internet?" I've never looked, I'm not going to look, because if ever they have, because it was on the, you know, the CCTV outside the police station. The most embarrassed it must have been.
I don't know anymore, right? All right.
To watch.